Hey everyone, I am Ganesh, a photographer and a creative storyteller. In this video, I'll show you how to design beautiful wedding invitations, logos, banners, and wishes online using Adobe Express. Fast, easy, and completely customizable. First, go to adobe.com/express. From here, head to template section and search for wedding invitations or wedding banner. You'll find plenty of ready-made templates that you can customize in minutes. Next, add your names, wedding date, venue, and personal messages. You can also include wedding wishes or quote to make it more heartfelt. Adobe Express lets you adjust fonts, sizes, and colors to match your wedding theme. Now make your design unique. Add flowers, rings, hearts, or decorative elements from Adobe Express. You can also create a wedding logo using initials or monograms, perfect to use across your invites, banners, and even thank you cards. Once your design is ready, you can resize it for different purposes: a digital invite, a banner, a flex, or even social media posts. Adobe Express makes sure the quality stays high for both the print and online sharing. Creator tip: if you want your invitations to stand out, use consistent wedding logo and color themes across your invites. This makes your wedding brand look professional and memorable. Here are some creative ways to use your wedding designs: digital wedding invitations for WhatsApp or email, printed banners and flex for the venue, personalized wedding logos on thank you cards, shareable wedding wishes on social media posts. And that's it. Creating beautiful wedding invitations, logos, and wishes is super easy with Adobe Express. Start designing your special day in minutes, even if you're a beginner. Try Adobe Express now. The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.